Tina-isms soulful quote of the day, titled, Unplug to Elevate. This weekend, do something different. Feed your soul instead of your habits. Everybody know how to party, but not everybody know how to pause. Learn something that challenges you. Reflect on something that grew you. Heal something that's been hurting you. You don't always need a plan. Sometimes you just need presence. The real flex? Peace, clarity, and elevation. Let this be the weekend you water your roots, not just your distractions. Tina-isms, peace and blessings to my soul tribe. Enjoy this day. Drop a 1 if you're choosing growth over the usual this weekend. Tag someone who needs this reminder.